Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I come with a very new recipe which I'm sure all of you like. It is called Peppery garlic mushrooms. Before we go ahead, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare peppery garlic mushroom are onions 3 finely chopped, garlic 2 tablespoons chopped fine, green chilies 2 sliced and cut into bits, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, mushrooms 300 grams cut into fours, oil 2 tablespoons, juice of 1 lime, 3/4 spoon of salt, ginger 1 teaspoon chopped fine. Light the stove and place a pan on it. When the pan gets heated, pour in the oil. Add the onions. Add the onions and stir it till it is sauteed. Add the ginger and the green chilies. Add the mushrooms. And keep stirring. Keep stirring the mushrooms till it is completely dry and cooked. The mushrooms are nearly cooked. We shall add the garlic. Now add the lime juice. Keep stirring. Add the salt, which can also be adjusted to your taste. Keep stirring the mushrooms till it becomes slightly brown. Add the pepper and stir it for a minute and turn off the stove. So friends, our peppery garlic mushrooms are ready to be eaten. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. Also, please like, subscribe and share. Till we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.